for me. Say ferry on the way. Can't wait to see the look on your face.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can see, it's time to do our hair today. So I had these braids in for about 2 months. These are the braids that I normally have underneath my wig. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out, and we're gonna go ahead and just get rid of this color because this color is disgusting. So let's go ahead and take out these braids. Now, after each and every single braid, I am going to detangle, yes, on dry hair, because it's a little bit easier when I'm actually washing my hair. It doesn't get as tangled. So now all of the braids are taken out. I did go ahead and part my hair in 4 sections. So now we are going to go ahead and clip up each section because I am going to get ready to cut off this color. I'm going to cut my hair. As you guys can see, I do have a lot of dead ends. I'm using this rubber band because I'm placing it where I am wanting to cut. It's time for this hair to get a full-blown makeover because again, I am tired of this color. I'm tired of the length. I'm tired of the straggly ends and the damaged ends. It is time for a makeover. So yeah, I'm just doing it for all of the sections, and now it is time to go ahead and cut my hair. Don't ask me why I tied it like this. I just didn't feel like digging for any other clips, so I know I look stupid. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut off all of the bleach ends. So this is the amount of hair that I cut. It's just hair. It's gonna grow back. It's so short, but it looks so much better. I'll fix these pieces like at the ends right here once I straighten it out. Now, if you guys watch my video of me silk pressing my hair, I stated that I did not want to cut my hair because I wanted to retain length, but I also stated that there's going to be another video of me cutting my hair, and this is the video, y'all. All right, y'all, so my hair is twisted up in sections, ready for me to go ahead and color. So this is the color that I will be using today. It's going to be black. We are going back to black. Of course, we're going to need some gloves, and now we are going to start mixing. We're going to pour the liquid color in with the developer, and we are going to cut off the little tip that we're supposed to cut off, and then we are going to shake, shake, shake until the color is all mixed up. I'm also going to be needing a comb, obviously some clips. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just starting with the back. I'm first combing through that section, making sure I get rid of all of the tangles, and then I'm going to part that section and just start applying the color. It's pretty much self-explanatory. After I apply the color onto each section, I am going to go in with the comb again and start combing it through so the color is evenly distributed. I did actually forget to put my towel on, so I went ahead and got that because of course we do not want our skin to be stained. So I'm applying the hair dye to the colored parts of my hair first, and then I'm going back in and applying it with the roots. I do it that way because my roots are already black and I don't know if I'm going to run out of color, so I don't want to start doing the whole section first and then I end up running out of color, and then I have another section or a small part of my hair that is colored with, brown. So that's why I apply it to the colored ends first and then go back in and apply it to my roots. So at this point, we ran out of color for the first bottle, and so now it's time to mix up the second batch. So now we are finished applying the color. I'm just checking the back, making sure that everything looks good. And I let this sit on my hair for about, I want to say 2 to 3 hours, because I want to make sure that my hair is jet black, okay? I want no color. After that, I went ahead and washed my hair, of course. I will put the link to the products that I use to wash my hair down below. And now it is time for me to go ahead and blow dry. If you guys are interested or wanting a full tutorial of me straightening my hair, blow drying my hair, doing a silk press, then I do have that video linked in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But I am using the tension method to blow dry my hair. I'm pulling my hair as tight as possible, and I am going in with the blow dryer, blow drying the roots, and then I am going in with the brush to make sure that everything is straight. Now, I do like to blow dry on dry hair because it does get it a little bit straighter, and the blow drying time is literally cut in half. So I like to let my hair air dry, wait for it to be probably 90% dry, and then I go in with the blow dryer and straighten it, because again, it cuts the time in half, literally. So now I'm just checking the length, checking the cut, because obviously I did not do a full-blown professional cut when I cut the hair before coloring. So now I'm just going in with the scissors, making sure that everything is nice and straight, of course cutting off the uneven ends, and just make sure that everything is looking good. So now that everything is looking good, the cut is to my liking, it's time for us to go ahead and straighten. Again, I do have a full-blown tutorial on how I straighten my hair. That link again is in the description box. So of course I did not include a lot of clips of me straightening, but I did include this one little clip that is fast forward if you guys are interested on how I like to straighten my hair. So of course I section it off, and then I am going to be using the chase method. I'm flat ironing the roots. I'm focusing on my roots, and then I do 1 or 2 passes on my hair. So that is literally it. And this is the final look, you guys. I am so happy with the cut, with the color, everything. I just got tired of that brown ombre looking color, and so going back to black is just a comfort zone for me. I had to cut those ends, okay? Let me know what y'all think. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And always remember, of course, to stay beautiful. Bye, guys.